So this video is going to be quite a biggish diamond painting haul. So I have got 8 here right now. So yeah, these are also what I got for my birthday. So I suppose you can combine the haul and my birthday into one, I guess. All these came off my mum and dad, so thank you so much from mum and dad. My dad watches my videos, and I love these. As you can see, we have Belle right here, looking absolutely gorgeous as always. She's one of my favourite characters in the Disneyland. And just so you are aware, all of these diamond paintings are Disney. So the grid on this does look very, very nice. Now when we get to the last picture, I'll let you have a real nice close-up of the grid. The colours in here, you get 17. The size for these, all of these that I'm about to show you today, are 20 by 60. So they're not really that big. They're nice, slim, very elegant pictures. I really, really love these. I cannot wait to find frames to fit these. If I do struggle to find frames to fit them, I'll just get them custom made, the frames. But yeah, I'm just super stoked and shook that I got these for my birthday. Obviously, I chose them. My mum and dad wanted to get me something really special. So yeah, they gave me some money. I chose them, so I can tell you that they come off eBay. Every single one is off the same company. I cannot remember the company name, but do not worry if you want these. I am going to link where I got these from in the description down below. So let's get on with having a look. So as you can see, we have Belle. Absolutely stunning. And the diamonds for Belle, we're going to do the diamonds as well, guys. We're just going to do this bit by bit. I will apologise right now for any crinkling noises. But you know, it's part of the thing that we have to deal with. So 1 second. Okay. So as always, with these diamond paintings, you will get your essentials. You get your diamond pen, a boat, and your wax. And these also come with the baggies, which is absolutely lovely. Then, diamonds are falling everywhere. Just let me pop them there and grab them. Okay, then you also get a checklist, which is very nice indeed. It is very rare that I ever get a checklist with any diamond paintings, but we've got one anyway. So this is going to be really fun to make sure that all the diamonds are actually here, which I'm not going to do on this video, but I will do in my own spare time. So then we have the diamonds. So, I mean, really you don't need to look at the diamonds. I mean, you can see how beautiful the picture is, exactly how it's going to look, but I'm just going to give you a little quick look through of the diamonds, I guess. So there is some that are loose in here, some that are just like a one. So we have like a, let me just get, there we go. So yeah, one like a goldy yellow, a nice blue there. Then we've got 3 of, are these the same colour? Yep, 3 of the same colour yellow, like a sun yellow. A lime green. That'll be for the petals, I guess. Really nice blue, like turquoisey colour. Then we have a duck egg green, I think we call that, or a mint green. And I'm dropping diamonds yet again. All these are the same blue. Then you've got a darker blue. Reds, like letterbox reds. There's loads of these that are, that's a skin colour. Another yellow. Yeah, there's loads of these that are loose, which kind of worries me a little bit. I wasn't prepared for that. Greys, and we have browns. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of browns, you guys. Okay, so there's that all the way through. Now, I'm guessing that these browns are going to be for her hair, because Belle does have beautiful long brown hair, as we all know. And I'm hoping my puppy did not run off with any bags of diamonds then. So that's like a goldy colour. And then we have a load of purple. So that is all of the colours for Belle. I'm just going to gather these up now. And with these, I shall just bop them on top of that one. So that's Belle. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one is Tinkerbell. Doesn't she look gorgeous? Like, really? Let me just try and get more of it. There we go. So yeah, this one is Tinkerbell. Really, really cute and adorable. Again, as I say, they're all the same size. These are the diamonds for her. I don't think I'm going to take every single diamond out. I mean, as you can see in the picture, it's a lot of yellows with a touch of green and a little bit of blue down near her feet. So yeah, there's that one. So let's show you the next one. Just one sec, guys. So the next one that you're going to see is Elsa. Is she called Elsa? From Frozen. Really, really gorgeous. I love this one. I'm going to get her sister as well. I didn't get her in this set, but I will be getting her sister. This one is the one that attracted me to get all of these paintings, is Snow White. Yeah, she really attracted me to want to get them all, because I just think she's the most prettiest out of all of them. She is my favourite, to say the least. And then, of course, we had to get the Beast to go with Belle. Beautiful. I'm a huge fan of Beauty and the Beast. But he certainly is a handsome beast right there. And then we got the Little Mermaid. Now I'm just going to tilt you forward and move you back a little bit so you can see her tail there. And yeah, I like it. I think it's really cool. Then we have got the Evil Mum from Tangled. Unfortunately, they did not have the Tangled girl, which is a shame because I really would have liked her to go with her mum. But yeah, they didn't have that one. And the last one, which is my second favourite, is Mulan. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, all of these pictures was just under £4. Can you believe that, guys? Under £4. That is just shocking for how beautiful these pictures are. They do look a lot more bigger on camera than what they're doing in real life. But the size isn't an issue for me, because they really are pretty and they're going to look gorgeous when framed. So I'm going to give you a quick look at this one now with the grid. So let's have a look here. If I just pull this whole thing back, I'm going to get a nice close-up and focus. So there you go, that's the grid. It really, really is an easy grid to look at. You know, it's beautiful, very, very simple. Let's cover this back up. Yeah, so really the actual picture itself is like a bit smaller than my hand actually. Let me just get you back in focus. There we go. So yeah, it's no bigger than my hand. See? So yeah, it's quite a thin picture, but absolutely stunning. I can't wait to do these. I'm not going to rush these ones. I'm really going to take my time with them. So I really want to get my collection huge. So, and the only reason why I want to do that is so that I have a nice big, huge range to choose from when it comes to choosing one of the pictures that I would love to paint, or diamond, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so let me just have a look at these. So basically, there is no fancy codes in these pictures. They're just numbered 1 to 9 and then alphabeted and then alphabet letters. But yeah, that's it, guys. That is them diamond paintings. Absolutely stunning. I love these. I'm not going to be starting these anytime soon because I have started me unicorn in space. So I don't want to start these ones till I've way past done that one. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there now, guys. Thank you so much for joining us in this little haul. I'm sorry I didn't show you the diamonds on all of the paintings. I just think it's going to be too much. The video's going to be way too long. And you know, let's be fair, I haven't really done many of these diamond paintings to want to do that yet. We will actually be doing some whips. And if you don't know what whips means, it's basically just work in process. So basically a diamond painting that I'm working on, and you will see me actually diamond painting and chill out with me, and we'll have a good chat about stuff. But that's coming after June. So yeah. So I'm going to leave it there now, guys. Thank you so much once again for joining us. I'd also like to thank everybody for my birthday wishes on Facebook, and some of you have wished me happy birthday on YouTube. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate all the love. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there now. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button for notifications. If you are not yet, I'm getting excited now. If you are not yet part of the Sparkle family, then please do sprinkle some of that magic glitter on that subscribe button and give it a punch. And I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.